Google has again gotten embroiled in antitrust allegations. A 2-year antitrust investigation, whose findings are likely to be out soon, says that Google abused its dominant position in mobile operating systems. This comes close to heels of a massive offensive from South Korea. The antitrust regulator there has slapped a $177 million fine on Google, again over mobile operating systems. 2 months ago, South Korea implemented a law that disrupts Google's App Store revenue model. It seems as though the international offensive against Google is growing stronger. Google currently faces several antitrust challenges around the world, including 3 government lawsuits filed in the US in the past 2 months alone. To be fair, hardly any of these competition fines have resulted in actual payment of damages by Google. The cases are mostly in appeals or reappeals. But the crux of the matter is, collective pressure is building upon Google, forcing it to alter its business policies. Apart from Android, Google Play Store policies are also under the lens. Google charges 30% commission on app purchases and in-app purchases from developers. This fee is seen to be too high. Facing pressure, Google in India has deferred this fee for 6 months until 2022. Will India go so far as to impose a fine? Maybe not. But let's look at the background here. The latest CCI report is likely to say that Google India stifled competition and innovation to the detriment of the market. The latest report by CCI is likely to say that Google India stifled competition and innovation to the detriment of the market and the consumer, in order to maintain its grip and dominance in search, music, browser, app store, and other key services. The report has not been made public. Currently, at least 2 CCI cases are ongoing. These say that Google bars developers from creating customized versions of Android and keeps the environment closed for innovation. Around the world, Google is facing much bigger fines. The European Commission imposed a $2.7 billion fine on Google in 2017 after finding that the company violated antitrust rules by allegedly abusing its dominance in search to benefit its own shopping comparison product over competitors. At the time, the fine was the largest ever that the regulator had slapped in a monopoly abuse case. The EU topped its previous record fine against Google in a second antitrust decision targeting Google's Android mobile operating system in 2018. Regulators fined Google the equivalent of $5 billion, and a third fine of $1.7 billion came in 2019. After the US and Europe, now it seems South Korea is leading the charge. A recent Korean law mandates that Google and its big tech counterpart, Apple, must allow apps to use billing systems outside of Google and Apple ecosystems to avoid steep charges. How Google will manage these allegations and fines will be interesting to watch.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.